Welcome back, mates. Crypto Leverage Trading Group, aka the Libertarian Cryptologist. What's going on this morning? Hey, listen, I got some messages about Litecoin because some pretty awesome news coming out. And hopefully it's true. So we'll figure it out. Or kind of like waiting to see whether or not this is really going to happen in 2022. A lot of times you'll hear rumors of whether Bitcoin, Ethereum, or I know last night I think it got released that the Apple guy, the Apple CEO or CFO is a crypto holder. Most people own crypto, folks. So I mean that's really not news anymore. I mean but you know how it is. People play off of those things. And whenever you hear about, someone like, Amazon or somebody like that accepting crypto, it's always going to move the markets, right? We know that. It's about behavior. But if Walmart, in fact, in 2022 is going to accept Litecoin across its entire platform, okay, not just its tests, it's where it's testing it, okay, but across its entire platform via online and brick and mortar, that's a massive, massive boost to network activity, which is already quietly, people aren't really talking about it. It's already blowing the doors off. Okay, we've been talking about it in our group for over a year plus. Okay, that it's just if you're understand the movement between people who own Bitcoin and Litecoin and the use cases of Litecoin and Bitcoin and how they've been around together. And I know it's taken it on the chin a lot in the last 5 years, right? Just because of all the other altcoins that have hit the street, all the other NFT, all the other stuff that's happened, right? Litecoin is still like the granddad, like one of the granddads, right? Or the uncle, if you want to consider Bitcoin the granddad, right? I mean, we've always been holders of Litecoin. I'm not your financial advisor. But realistically, there are now people raising price targets for Litecoin back to $400, $600, $1,000 Bitcoin before the end of this bull cycle. And so, I mean, you have to factor that in, and that's going to carry a lot of weight, especially in the Twitterverse. So we're going to open this up. We're going to look at the 4 hour, and we want to definitely take a look at what's happening here. Obviously, you probably watched our video yesterday on Litecoin about how it hit a wall on its RSI, overbought. Let's take a look at what happened. And there was our line from yesterday right there. Obviously, it sold off. And that's how you play the scalp. You enter your hedge. You play your stop loss. You ran this thing all the way up here, right? From a low-level RSI of 38 all the way to 92, okay? Then you saw this happen, right? Started to sell off. Well, then the news started to break really about network activity. Okay, you got to remember, Litecoin is up 35% in 7 days. That's massive. But what you also found here is you had 88% of all holders of Litecoin in the money. That's a massive number. So a lot of people also look at that, as maybe an overbought scenario, okay? And so that's from the IO map in terms of you can look at that bubble accumulation that we talk about all the time. But a lot of people aren't talking about the network activity or the perpetual swap rise. Okay, if you're not familiar with perpetual swaps, you need to check that out so you understand what's at work there with people betting on Litecoin going higher. So we got the dip in the RSI, right? Obviously, and now we're going to head back up to retest that level of 94, 95 RSI here. We're already at 284. We've already broken 270 resistance, okay, longer term. And so that's why you're getting these new calls coming out today, okay, for Litecoin. They're kind of behind the curve, right? But that's what will move the market and participate in more FOMO, mates. I mean, that's how it is. It's all behavior. People are getting these feeds, whether it's Reddit, whether it's Twitter, whether it's Facebook, Instagram, whatever it is. Now these guys are on it. When the buy, if you go back a week ago, back test people. Go back and look at my video of over a week ago of Litecoin. It was at 193. Remember? And so we've been in Litecoin for a while now. So I just want to let you guys understand that you're going to get this, and this is your opportunity to take some profits, set a stop loss, or do a sell down if this gets to be 95 RSI. All right, mates.